The concept of DataOps is still really our best path forward for modernizing and accelerating our data engineering team performance.
As the complexity of data platforms and processes is increasing exponentially, the right kind of automation is the key to managing that complexity successfully. DataOps, short for data operations, is the process of building high-quality, trusted data solutions in an agile fashion to reduce the time between identifying the need for data and delivering it.
So DataOps is describing how we would produce a new data product for a business. How is the business going to take advantage of data and really get insight from it? That's going to result in some type of product that we create. And DataOps is a description of the process we're doing.
So you're on this journey to get data-driven decisions, but the next mountain that you have to cross is, okay, now that I've got it all, what do I do with it? And DataOps really helps you not only build into it, where is everything? Is it automated? Can I count on it? But also, how am I going to use it? How am I going to be sure that it's trustable? One of the common barriers you see from customers to adopting something like DataOps, it's very focused on the siloed activity of bringing data from point A to point B, as opposed to that bigger understanding of all of the pieces that make data-driven decisions critical. There's plenty of unsanctioned data reporting going on in our companies today too, and that kind of activity causes churn in the organization because people are then showing my report and her report and their report, and they're all saying, well, they don't match, so nobody's right. Now we can't trust the data.
DataOps requires the right balance of people, process, and technology. Smart automation for deployment, testing, and monitoring are essential to unlocking agility and transparency at enterprise scale in your DataOps efforts.
Any slight modification in data in any one of the silos basically breaks the pipeline. And that is the main cause a lot of why data is so difficult to automate. Probably one of the steps is take a look at your data. One of the key steps is finding the balance between both technology and your culture. There has to be a strong agile culture in place. You have to get rid of some of the data silos in your organization because data is brittle and moving data from one silo to another is not conducive to an agile environment. Someone might have a vision of data, but they don't have the technology or processes in place to get to that vision. On the other extreme, they have all the technology and processes in place, but they don't necessarily have the vision to take advantage of those processes and the technology to maybe monetize the data or productize the data.
Okay, well, I think that the first underlying first key is just recognizing the importance of automation and the importance of kind of applying that CI/CD lens to not just the products that we're producing, but continuously developing a better way of producing data products and looking at how we automate the end-to-end and simplify.
DevOps revolutionized the relationship between applications and infrastructure. DataOps will revolutionize the relationship between your data and your business.